students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is integration of x sin x dx, and these are our options. So let's see. So to solve this, when we have two functions, multiplication of two functions, we use integration by part. So integration of x sin x dx will be, now we'll use integration by part. So x as it is and integration of sin x dx minus integration of this integration of sin x dx as it is, integration sin x dx like this, into differentiation of x with respect to x, means dx of dx by dx into dx, correct? So this dx and this dx will get cancelled out. So this will be x, integration of sin x will become minus cos x, minus times integration, this will be again minus cos x, and this is 1 and this is dx, correct? So this is equals to minus x cos x, and minus will become plus integration cos x dx. So our final answer will be minus x cos x plus sin x plus c, since it is a indefinite integration, so there will be an integration constant. So this will be our final answer, and none of the options is matching, but this is our correct option. This is our correct answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.